So as I open Pinterest, it's going to open me to the home page. And so at the top of the screen, you can see all the boards that I have created. And so if I were to click on a topic or a board, it would show me pins related to that board. So as I'm scrolling down, it's personalized to my interest. So it's going to show me things that I have searched in the past. So there's a lot of fall outfits, a lot of tattoos, a lot of sorority things, because those are all things personalized to my interests. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to search fall outfits because I want to see some pins and get some inspiration for that. And so at the top, it'll show me different categories that will really narrow down my search. And then it's going to show me just some pins related to my search. And so I like this outfit, this idea. I'm going to click on it and I can click on a material of clothing and it will show me similar items related to that clothing. So if I were to click on one of those links, it would take me directly to that site to buy that item. And so as I'm scrolling down, it gives me more options, and then I can choose to comment on this post. I can also choose to like this post, and so Pinterest will give me more ideas related to this because I am interacting with this post. As I scroll down, you see more related content. I can even follow this creator, and so it would give me personalized content updates by this creator and show me her updates. I can choose to download this image, add it to a collage, make it a link. I can also save this pin, so I can save it to one of the boards that I have already created, or I can create my own board, which you see me doing here. And so I'm naming this board Fall Outfits. Just kidding, we're going to name it Fall Fits instead. So I create this board, and so this is my first pin that was saved to this board. So I can scroll down and look at more pins, and I see that I like that outfit. So I'm going to click on it again. I can click on the item of clothing, and it'll give me suggestions of where to buy this piece. And so I click directly on the link, it'll take me to it. Here I am deciding to save this outfit to that same board, Fall Fits. I can also hide this pin, I can send this pin, and I can share it through messages as well. Now I'm going to show you how to create a pin yourself. So here I'm going to create a pin. I'm going to select an image. And so after that, I can title this pin. I can add a description. I can add a link, pick a board to put it in, tag related topics, tag products. And so if I were to share this pin, it could get visibility on my profile. Next, I am going to make a collage. So it'll show me things based on my interest where I can make a collage using these things. And then lastly, you can make a board, which I showed you previously. And you can also share this board with friends and y'all can collaborate on it together. So a pin that they put in there, you can also see. I go to messages and I see all the updates of pins or boards that I have liked. And then I can go to messages and see all my previous messages that I had with friends sharing pins. I then go to my profile and I see all the pins that I have ever saved. So they're all in this one spot. But then I click on boards and you can see which boards I have put them to and what I have named each board. I can also see any collages I have made or am in the progress of making. Now that I refresh my feed, you can see that since I search Fall Fits, that is what is popular on my feed. As you can see, as I'm scrolling down, the ads are very seamlessly integrated into the natural browsing experience, so you can barely tell that they're even there. So I have an ad for influencer page. Up above, I had an ad for Uggs, but you could barely notice that it was an ad. I can also search for a specific brand. So here you see that I am searching for Nike, and I can look at pins and boards that they have created themselves, and I could also look at pins and boards that they have saved. I can also choose to follow this brand, and so I will get more content generated from their account. Here again, I'm searching Target, which is another popular brand, and so I can see any boards or pins that they have created and any that they have saved as well. As I mentioned in my PowerPoint, Fenty Beauty had a very successful campaign on Pinterest. So I'm going to their account, and so I can see all the pins that they have created, and so you can see some of the makeup looks that they had and some of the tutorials as well that they created that I mentioned in the PowerPoint.